Hi folks, Mark Powell here, Cue Master Pool School. Let me ask you something. You ever see this? Cue comes up in the air like that. Maybe you do it, maybe you know somebody who does. Well, what causes that? I challenge students sometimes to describe that motion and to find out why it happens. For instance, I lay the cue on the table and I ask them, do you think I can raise the tip of my cue off of the table without moving my arm? Most of them say no. You either have to move your arm or your wrist. That's the answer they give me. Well, I do this. I haven't moved my arm and I haven't moved my wrist. What have I done? I've gripped the cue. And that's really what's happening when you see the cue come up like this during the stroke. You're gripping the cue too hard. Now, question is what does the cue ball know? It really doesn't care, as long as it was an accurate hit. The problem, though, is when does this action, when does that squeeze really occur? If it occurs on the way to the cue ball, you're certainly not going to hit that spot on the cue ball that you really want to hit. Okay? So it's important to keep a level cue all the way through. All right? So if you just relax your hand, keep a nice, even, smooth stroke, just like this. Okay? I can still move my cue right in and out of my hand here, and I'm not gripping it, all right? So the next time you feel yourself doing this, or see a teammate or a friend of yours you're playing against, or whatever that you want to give some advice to, all right? Go back to this exercise, or just show them this example, that if they grip too hard, they're going to raise the cue in the air. You don't want to do that. In fact, just enough pressure to raise the tip off of the cue, just that much, is too much, right? So just back off on that a little bit and let the cue stick do all the work. This is Mark Powell from Cue Master Pool School. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.